Hi guys, we are going to do our math homework. It is week 4, day 3 in our packets, so let's get started. Week 4, day 3, adding and subtracting. We have to complete each equation. So we have to check our sign and make sure we're paying attention to that and see if it's addition or subtraction. And then you're going to fill in wherever is missing and has a blank. So 5 plus 0 equals something. So we're finding our whole. We have our two parts and we're finding our whole. So 5 plus 0 equals what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That one's easy peasy. You can write the 5 right there. This one is 4 plus blank equals 5. So we're finding our missing part. So we know that it ends with 5. So I can do the 5. And I can then say, oh, and I know that there are 4, so I have my whole, which is 5, and I know that there's 4, so I can put down 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have 1 left, and that's my answer, 1. Or you can do it a different way. You can do 4 and put up 4 fingers, and then since it's addition, you could say, I need to get to 5, so 4, and then count on. 5. How many fingers did I put up? I put up 1 finger, so that's my answer. 4 plus 1 equals 5. And then sometimes the equations go different directions, and that's okay. That means the same thing. So you're still looking for the answer. It says blank equals 1 plus 4. So we're trying to solve our answer, so 1 plus 4 equals what? And you're going to write it in the line. 0 plus blank equals 3. So just like this problem, you're going to solve for our part. We have our whole, and you need to solve for the part. 3 plus blank equals 4. Again, we have our whole, and we need to find our missing part. 5 equals blank plus 3. Our whole is 5, and we're finding our missing part. 5 minus 2 equals blank. Oh, they changed our equation sign, sign, so it's subtraction this time. So, and it's solving for the whole. So 5 minus 2, 1, 2. How many are left? 3. I'm going to write it on the line. And then the last one here, 4 equals 5 minus blank. We are solving for our missing part. All right? That is some tricky work, but I know you can do it. So just keep working on it, and if you need help, reach out to your teacher or someone in your family. And we're going to move on to the next part, okay? So it says, which one doesn't belong? Choose one item in this picture that you don't think belongs with the rest. Explain why. Can you pick a different item and give a different reason? All right. So here's our pictures. And I want you to look at them. They're in canoes, and this is a kayak, and there's different number of people in the boats. So that's something you could say that's different. There's 2 here, no one here, 1 person, 1, 2, 3 people here. So that's something that's different. You could say this is a different type of boat. This is a kayak, and these are all canoes. And there's some other things that I'm going to let you guys think to. I don't give you all the answers, but I'll give you some hints. Look at the background. You could say what this landscape or the scenery behind them in the water is, and also look at their paddles and see if all of them are the same or if they're all going the same direction, okay? So just write underneath the picture what is different and tell someone in your family why it is different. Our next problem is below is a pattern of cylinders in stages 1 through 3. Draw what you think stage 4 might look like. Label how many cylinders are in each stage. So I think I would do that part first. I would write how many cylinders are in each stage. So I would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'd write my 5, and then I'd count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'd write 7. So 5 here, 7 here. Let's see what's in stage 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. 5, 7, and 9. How many more cylinders were in each stage? I had 5, and then it went to 7. How many more fingers did I put up to get to 7? 5, 6, 7. Oh, 2 more. That one went up by 2. Let's check. 7 here and 9 here. So 7 fingers, and then we're going to count on 7, 8, 9. Oh, I put up 2 more fingers, so this one went up by 2. So 7 to 9 is 2, so you need to draw pictures of cylinders, and if you can't quite draw a cylinder, that's okay. Try your best just drawing circles. So this one has 9, and each of these have gone up by 2, so your picture should also go up by 2. So it starts with 9, and then 2 more. So 9, 10, 11. All right, so think about that and draw your picture to match that. All right, our last problem for today is on a piece of paper, make 2 columns. A column is one that goes long like this. A row goes across horizontally and a column goes down vertically. So make 2 columns. In one column, list the things that are the same in this picture, and in the other column, list the things that are different. So what is the same and what is different? You could also just write what's the same here and what's different over here. So think about what might be the same. Are they all the same animal? Are they all in a 10 frame? Are they the same color? Are there the same number there? Think about all those things and write what's the same and what's different about these 2 groups of 10 frames. Okay? I hope everyone has a great day, and we will see you tomorrow.